You're going to have the opportunity to attend one of our college fairs and engage with colleges and universities from all across the nation. And I'm here to give you some helpful tips on how to make the most out of your experience. The first piece of advice is for you to branch out. There are going to be many colleges that you've probably heard of or that you're interested in, and many that you might not have heard of before. But all of the coalition member schools that are represented here are dedicated to affordability, access, and success for students just like you, making them excellent options to consider as you either start or continue your college search. So be sure to branch out and visit schools that you might not have heard of before. My second piece of advice is for you to do your research. And this is going to take a little bit of extra time, but this is going to be the same whether you attend a college fair virtually or in person. All of the college websites have a lot of information about their academic programs, about their student clubs, about their athletic teams. So instead of asking a general question like, do you have nursing, or how is your biology program? If you take the time to do the research, you can ask a specific question that an admissions counselor can answer for you that maybe their website couldn't. My third piece of advice is for you to be outspoken about what you need and how you will be understood in the admissions process. Admissions counselors are there to help, and they want to be able to connect you with people who are going to make sure that you get those answers. So be outspoken about what you need. Ultimately, attending a college fair is going to help you narrow down a list of schools that you're interested in and that you might apply to. So have fun, ask questions, branch out, and hopefully you'll find a place that you'll be able to call home in the next few years.